says, so I'm staying with it. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? You played the card. And she said, fine. If that's what you're going to do, then I'll just go with it and let it go. So, I mean, that's ridiculous. She doesn't need your ultimatum. She doesn't need your criticism. She needs your support. Do I want you to support her relationship with him? No. But you don't have to love everything she does. Support her. You can love and support her and not love and support the relationship. You're too close to the situation based on results. True? Sure. She don't listen to you, does she?
Absolutely not.
So you're not effective with what you're doing. So, you know, the oldest definition of insanity is do the same thing over and over and expect a different result. That's insane. What you're doing is not working. You don't like it, right?
Not that I don't.
I understand. In fact, when he was